And races on full splash from the outside is Carmelita. Reporter is racing third, running for is Mike Some Lady Rivaldo Virgin Island, while Rompe Candado is the early thriller Carmelita. Full splash reporter. Mike Some Ladies racing import by some 3 lengths and rushing up from the outside is Virgin Island Rivaldo and Rompe Candado as they round the 3/4 mile distance reporter, this time by ahead, followed by Carmelita. Apple Splash racing third by Sam Tolengs. Virgin Island is now running in fourth by Sam Tolengs. Mike Some Lady is racing fifth by Sam Trilangs Rivaldo, and a long way back to Rompe Candado. Working towards the back. Reporter Carmelita, Virgin Island, Apple Splash is racing from the outside, and here comes Mike Some Lady and Rivaldo. Rounding the far turn, Virgin Island Reporter, Apple Splash, Carmelita, Mike Some Ladies racing from the outside, taking the fourth spot inside the last 450, Virgin Island, and Reporter down on the inside, Apple Splash, Carmelita, Mike Some Lady, as they race the last 250. It's still Virgin Island, followed by Apple Splash, and Reporter down on the inside, Mike Some Lady, Carmelita, Rivaldo, Rompe Candado, Virgin Island, Apple Splash, Mike Some Lady, Reporter, entering the finish line, Virgin Island, Apple Splash, Mike Some Lady, Reporter, Rompe Candado, Carmelita, and Rivaldo comes last.